In this video, we're going to be covering the removal of the sound covers for the clinical air compressor system for service and/or repairs. To begin, locate the red knob and turn it to the off position. This will ensure the system is powered down. Next, identify the panels you will need to remove. Typically, you will remove 2 to 4 panels depending on the type of service required. There are 6 13mm socket head bolts holding each panel in place. Each bolt requires 5 to 10 turns with the blue 13mm T-handle tool which is provided. If you have misplaced your tool, a 13mm deep socket nut driver can be used. For safety, we recommend loosening the bottom 3 bolts for each panel first. Next, while supporting the panel with one hand, loosen the remaining top 3 bolts holding the panel. Now you have access to the clinical air compressor system. Once all work is completed, align the bolts as seen to match the slot on the frame, and tighten the 13mm bolts clockwise. We recommend securing the top 3 bolts first and then the bottom bolts. Once all panels are secured, power up the system by turning the red knob to the on position and ensuring everything is functioning properly. Thank you for watching.